Changing your Spectrum Wi-Fi 6 network name, SSID, and password is crucial for security. It prevents unauthorized access to your network, protecting your personal data and bandwidth. Spectrum provides Wi-Fi 6 compatible routers with enhanced speeds and security. You should change your SSID and password every 3 to 6 months, or immediately if you suspect a security breach or notice unfamiliar devices connected to your network. Using a strong, unique password, at least 12 characters with mixed letters, numbers, and symbols, is vital to prevent hacking. Regularly updating these credentials is a fundamental security practice recommended by experts and organizations like the Wi-Fi Alliance. As of late 2025, Spectrum routers often use WPA3 for stronger encryption, making these updates even more effective. There are primarily two ways to change your Spectrum Wi-Fi settings, using the My Spectrum app or through the router's web interface. Using the My Spectrum app, open the app and log in. Select Equipment, then Router, then Network Settings. You can now change your SSID, network name, and password. Save the changes. Your devices will need to reconnect using the new credentials. The app provides a convenient mobile interface for these changes. Using the router's web interface, connect to your Spectrum Wi-Fi network or via Ethernet cable. Open a web browser and enter 192.168.1.1 in the address bar. Log in using your admin credentials. Default username is often admin, and the password may be on the router sticker. Navigate to the wireless or Wi-Fi settings. Change the SSID and password. Save the changes and reboot the router if prompted. After making these changes, ensure all your devices are updated with the new network credentials. If you encounter issues, check the Spectrum support page or contact customer service for assistance. Keeping your router's firmware updated is also essential for optimal performance and security.